Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft with another beautiful prime condition pre-owned Beechcraft Baron to show you. Now folks, this is a standout. She is exceptional. She's a 2011 G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck. Yes, she's a G58. Lots to show you. Let's take a look. So check out these special edition engines. These are Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engines, only 765 hours on the engines and airframe since new. This 2011 Baron looks brand new and it is clean as a pin. So check out your forward baggage compartment. You can carry up to 300 pounds up here. You can even take your golf clubs if you take the woods off. This beautiful Baron is exceptional with 765 hours on the airframe and engine since new. The exterior, special factory demo paint scheme with Matterhorn white overall, with black, red, and Nevada tan stripes, with platinum metallic lower and tail in great condition. So check out the large double cargo doors the Baron is famous for. We love it. So easy to load our passengers and our things. I'm going to say it again, this is clean as a pin in beautiful condition. Now right now the seats are set up for the club seating configuration, but you know we can change that. Everybody can face forward if we like, or we can even remove or stow a seat. I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're ready to go. Your passengers are going to be in heaven. Come on in and check out this interior. Sand leather seats, sidewalls, wool blend carpet. The name of it is Fawn Groovy. Don't know who comes up with the names, but it is gorgeous. A beautiful executive writing desk. I swear I don't think it's ever been used. Cup holders and a 6-place intercom system. Some favorite features about this Baron: 3-blade Scimitar props, known icing package, factory air conditioning, leather-wrapped control wheels, pilot's relief tube, synthetic vision, co-pilot brakes, long-range fuel, prop synchronizer, and soup for soundproofing. Check out the Garmin G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck. We do have dual Garmin IFR navcoms with WAAS, a PDF moving map, an MFD moving map, a Garmin altitude heading and reference system. The transponder is a Garmin GTX 345 with ADS-B. We have XM weather on board, displayed on the MFD. The HSI is displayed on the G1000. We have Garmin active traffic, color stabilized radar, the Stormscope displayed on the G1000 MFD, and the Garmin Autopilot is a 700 flight control system with flight director and HSI, and altitude pre-select. If you like to turn heads and you want a stunning, gorgeous G58 Baron, this 2011 is like new. So much to love here, so beautifully equipped. Only one owner, folks, and it's always had Beech maintenance. This airplane's not going to last long, so we do invite you to come out to Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. We look forward to meeting you. Don't let this one pass you by. This Baron is truly exceptional. Oh, and Baron School, it comes included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new Baron. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.